Unidentified craft are looming in the skies over our homes and our communities. And for those who witness them firsthand, it is a paralyzing kind of fear, and often an emotional journey that can last a lifetime.
I actually felt terrified because it felt like maybe something was behind me.
It wouldn't be fair to keep it to ourselves. It's traumatic. My core beliefs have been changed, which is painful.
And these eyewitnesses are not alone. UFO encounters are happening in terrifying numbers. In 2020, more than 8,000 sightings were reported across North America, and many still go unreported for fear of ridicule.
We're moving through the motions of our life, and next thing we know, we look up and there's this magnificent thing that we've never experienced before.
For many, it's a traumatic, emotional, unwanted encounter.
People who are seeing this stuff don't necessarily want to believe in UFOs, but they have no choice.
Do I want to say I and my family witnessed a craft coordinating with spaceships from another planet? I'm not ready to say that. Did I photograph that? Yes.
And if Tim did capture the moment a portal appeared, the potential ramifications to Tim, his family, and every other person on planet Earth are incredible and terrifying.
There's a huge element of fear, personally, at least. That leads to such big questions.
I think, oh my gosh, here's a good example of exactly what some of these quantum physicists are talking about.
For generations, physicists have theorized that portals can be opened, wormholes, for which we can travel vast distances in space in very short times.
And this could be an actual concrete example of exactly what they're talking about theoretically.
If there are groups of beings traveling vast distances, they would create these portals, these tunnels, to get from planet A to planet B in maybe seconds as opposed to centuries.
It leaves us incredibly vulnerable as a species.
It shows that these ETs, if that's what we're dealing with here, are able to do things that we are not even close to being able to do.
These unidentified objects seem to be revealing themselves, showing what they're capable of to humans on Earth.
And if this is what they're doing, that's crucial information. That there is a technology being used that is way beyond our understanding.
If they can create a portal like this, if that's in fact what we're even seeing. What is going on here? What does this mean for us?
It could mean that they are already here.
Whoa.
Among us.
I believe it was a UFO of extraterrestrial origin coming to observe Earth, just gathering information as best as they can, is my guess.
If a group of individuals were trying to clandestinely study the human race, they would come in the cover of darkness with no lights on. The fact that these craft are blatantly maneuvering by a major city speaks volumes that they either don't care they're being seen or they absolutely want to be seen. And that's an aspect that's often too much overlooked.
Perhaps they're displaying or testing their own craft in some way. Perhaps they're trying to transmit some type of message to either each other or to us.
For Jared Augustine, the message came in flashes of light.
It was blinking like a light switch, like someone was turning the light off and on.
Oh, wow.
A lot of people who reviewed the video were saying it could be Morse code, just the way it was flashing at a different pace, different rhythms.
It's weird.
Most aircraft have a steady blinking light or a solid light, but this was a pronounced, brilliant pulsation, very unusual.
I didn't even think it was communicating with me. I don't know, just something in my mind didn't want me to dig into that. I guess that would be the fear aspect.
Could there have been some sort of code in that pulsation? Possibly. But since we can't even say where this craft came from, how can we hope to decipher its code?
I just kind of let it be. Just let the world have it. Let them see what they want to say.
From rhythmic pulses of light to intricate formations, these orbs appear to convey a message we can't seem to crack. It's a riddle with chilling implications.
Maneuvers do have very specific meanings or perhaps a message to them. There could be a number of different reasons why they're doing this.
Is it a greeting or a warning?
What the end point is, I can't say, but this is not by chance.
Something very significant is going on here. Does this mean that UFOs could come here in very large numbers at some point without any warning?
It's hard to say. We need to put skepticism aside and become more open-minded, because the evidence is becoming more overwhelming, more universal, and more undeniable.
Eyewitnesses have been sharing their incredible and personal UFO encounters for years. And for the first time, the world seems ready to listen and believe.
From a farming couple with a simple Kodak camera taking those McMinnville photos, to state-of-the-art military technology, getting high-resolution video images. It's like the Wright brothers to the Apollo moon landing.
It's the first time that governments within the states have come forward and saying that they're taking UFOs actually seriously.
The mainstream is now looking at it with credibility. We've had this wonderful shift from ridicule and skepticism to this is a real scientific phenomena that we need to study and understand.
Everyone carries a camera in their pocket. People are much more able to record their sightings.
It's not just a witness saying, oh, I think I saw something. It's hard data we can now analyze.
We're going to see a lot more videos and photographs of UFOs appear on the internet and shared across various social media platforms.
People now are actually coming forward and wanting to talk about it and trying to find a community to share their thoughts.
This topic is becoming much more widely accepted. It changes how you perceive the world.
When you see that kind of phenomena, it's something out of this world, maybe, I don't know, something uncommon.
The biggest takeaway for me was that we don't have all the answers and that there is still a lot to explore.
Just as the lives of Jared, Tim, and Alessa have been changed by their UFO encounters, our population is stepping into a new era of exciting possibilities.
You have Elon Musk making claims that he wants to put people on Mars by the late 2020s. You have NASA preparing a Mars mission for the 2030s.
We have notable scientists and academics coming forward and saying that they're looking into extraterrestrials.
New instrumentation is being built. Satellites are proposed to go into space to try to detect these objects entering our atmosphere. Ground-based instrument clusters are studying the phenomenon. So we are bringing more technology to bear now than at any time in history.
It's an exciting time on the cosmic stage for our entire species.
I'm happy to be alive during something like this too, to see it actually happening.